but you're not afraid to go in and really have somebody strip out that muscle, well, you might be someone who might enjoy the Graston technique. Hi, I'm Dr. Heather, your virtual sports chiropractor, and if you haven't heard yet, I've created 27 tips for runners on injury prevention. Over the course of the next 27 weeks, we're going to be talking about each one of these tips right here on the channel, and if you want to grab the complete guide, click the link down below. Now, these tips are not in any specific order, but we're going to get started with tip number 13, the Graston technique. Now, some of you may have seen in chiropractic offices, maybe in PT offices, these nice silver kind of heavy metal tools that kind of look a little bit barbaric, but you notice that the doctor will put like some type of lotion, cream on your skin, and then they'll take these tools and really dig out the tissue. It's like a scraping technique where you're gonna really see them dig deep into it, and you're gonna see that they're gonna try to break down some blood vessels and things like that to increase and promote healing. Now listen, I've had Graston done to me, and when my good friend who owns a practice out in Oregon had done it on me many, many years ago, I was kind of like, ouch, this hurts. Graston is not a lovey-dovey type of technique, so if you are looking for something that is mild, if you can't handle kind of intense pressure, Graston may not be the technique for you. But Graston is extremely effective with athletes, and the main reason is because we're getting in there, we're really breaking up the tissue, we're realigning the fibers for those muscles, for that alignment, and it's a great effective way to really promote and increase healing. Now again, Graston isn't something you will do the day of your event. I would highly recommend doing it a couple of days before the event or a couple of weeks prior to allow for your body to kind of adjust to that newness, because again, once we're getting the tissue broken down, there is going to be that chance for the body to kind of be like, all right, let's figure out how to operate again. So you want to allow for that, healing to really have occurred before you really kind of push the limits after using a Graston technique. And again, like I said, Graston is a great tool to use for injury prevention, but you want to make sure that somebody is certified with the Graston technique. There are some versions of Graston tools, but if a doctor of PT, of osteopathy, of chiropractor has gone ahead and gotten certified in the Graston technique, they are trained to use the tools properly and really understand how to rehab those injuries that you may be currently facing. Now again, if you're looking for a specific Graston practitioner in your area, if you're not sure if somebody really has been certified with the Graston technique, you are welcome to drop those comments down below, and I'm happy to do a little additional research in your area so you can go ahead and experience a solid Graston practitioner. Like I said, these are the 27 tips for runners on injury prevention. I'm Dr. Heather, your virtual sports chiropractor. I'll catch you in the next video.